Picture this, two identical 2,400 square foot Barndominiums. Same size, same land, same location. One costs $180,000. The other, $265,000. That's an $85,000 difference for the exact same amount of living space. What's the catch? The cheaper one is shaped like a tunnel, and the expensive one looks like a traditional barn. But here's what nobody tells you until after you've already written the check. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one will save you money, which one banks actually want to finance, and which one you'll regret building. I'm breaking down the brutal honest truth about Quonset versus traditional Barndominiums. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. What are we comparing? Before we dive into the cost battle, let's make sure we're comparing apples to apples. A traditional Barndominium uses either a steel I-beam frame or post-frame construction. Think vertical walls, peaked roof. Looks like a barn. You've seen these everywhere, especially in Texas. They have that classic barn aesthetic with straight walls and a pitched roof. A Quonset Barndominium uses corrugated steel panels bolted together to form arches. It's that distinctive half-cylinder shape, like a tunnel cut in half. Originally designed by the US Navy in World War II, these are now being transformed into stunning modern homes. The curved design is what makes them incredibly strong, but also creates unique challenges. Both are metal buildings. Both are technically Barndominiums, but they're built completely differently. And that difference affects everything from your upfront cost to your resale value 30 years from now. The cost breakdown: shell only. Let's start with just the shell, the weatherproof exterior structure before any interior work. This is where the Quonset absolutely dominates. For a 40 by 60 building at 2,400 square feet, a Quonset shell kit runs $31,000 to $48,000. Add-in walls for $8,000 to $12,000. Foundation at $14,400 to $24,000, and assembly at $10,000 to $15,000. Your total shell cost is $63,400 to $99,000. That's roughly $26 to $41 per square foot for the shell. Now the traditional Barndominium shell for the same 40 by 60 size. Steel frame kit costs $40,000 to $65,000. End walls and framing run $15,000 to $25,000. Foundation is the same at $14,400 to $24,000. Assembly and erection costs $15,000 to $22,000 because it requires more skilled labor. Your total shell cost is $84,400 to $136,000. That's roughly $35 to $57 per square foot. Right out of the gate, the Quonset saves you $21,000 to $37,000 just on the shell. But wait, there's more to this story. The cost breakdown: turnkey finish. Here's where it gets interesting. The interior finishing is where traditional Barndominiums start to catch up. Why? Because those straight walls are way easier to work with. Quonset turnkey costs for 2,400 square feet run $156,000 to $240,000 for budget to mid-range finishes, and $280,000 to $360,000 for high-end finishes. That's $65 to $150 per square foot turnkey. Traditional Barndominium turnkey costs for the same size run $180,000 to $265,000 for budget to mid-range, and $300,000 to $400,000 for high-end. That's $75 to $167 per square foot turnkey. The gap narrows significantly, right? You're looking at a $24,000 to $40,000 savings with a Quonset for similar finish levels. Not as dramatic as the shell-only savings, but still substantial. Here's why the gap closes. Interior finishing on curved walls costs more. Custom framing for windows and doors. Spray foam insulation required instead of cheaper bats. Creative solutions for cabinetry and furniture placement. These all add labor costs that eat into your initial shell savings. Construction speed. Time is money, especially if you're paying rent somewhere while building. Quonset Barndominiums win on speed, hands down. The shell can go up in days, literally. With a small crew or even DIY with friends, you can have the arches erected in a weekend for smaller buildings. Total construction time from breaking ground to move-in ready is typically 3 to 5 months. Traditional Barndominiums take longer. The steel frame requires more precision and skilled labor. Shell erection takes 2 to 4 weeks typically. Total construction time runs 4 to 7 months for a complete build. That's potentially 2 extra months of rent payments, 2 extra months of construction loan interest, 2 extra months of waiting to move in. At $1,500 per month rent, that's another $3,000 in hidden costs. Design and aesthetics. This is huge and completely subjective. Traditional barndominiums look like barns. They fit into rural landscapes. They're familiar. They're what most people picture when they think barndominium. Straight walls make furniture placement easy. Hanging pictures is straightforward. Kitchen cabinets fit flush against walls. You can add dormers, porches, traditional windows without major custom work. Quonset barndominiums look futuristic, industrial, unique. Some people absolutely love this aesthetic. Others hate it. You get vaulted ceilings everywhere automatically, which is stunning. But those curved walls are challenging. The lower portions of walls have limited usability. You need custom solutions for window installation. Furniture must be positioned carefully. Standard rectangular cabinets require creative mounting. Here's the honest truth. In rural Texas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, a traditional barndominium blends right in. A Quonset will turn heads, for better or worse. If you're in an area with strict HOA or architectural review boards, a Quonset might not get approved at all. Always check before buying. Durability and maintenance. Quonset structures are incredibly durable. The arch design is inherently strong, naturally sheds snow and rain, can withstand winds up to 140 plus mph, essentially maintenance-free exterior, and built to last 50 to 100 plus years. The seamless arch design has fewer potential leak points. No ridge vents or valleys where problems typically develop. Traditional barndominiums are also durable, but have more maintenance considerations. Properly engineered, they handle extreme weather well. However, there are more roof penetrations and potential leak points. Ridge caps need periodic checking, and more complex roof design means more maintenance long-term. Still, we're talking 50-plus year lifespan with proper care. Both blow traditional wood frame houses out of the water for durability, so you're winning either way compared to stick-built construction. Financing and insurance. This is where traditional barndominiums have a significant advantage. Banks and lenders understand them. Appraisers can find comparable sales more easily. Conventional financing is much more accessible. You can often get standard home loans with 10 to 20% down. FHA and USDA loans are possible in many areas. Quonset barndominiums face financing challenges. Many conventional lenders are hesitant because they're considered non-traditional structures. You might need 25% down or more. Construction loans are often your only option initially. Specialized barndominium lenders may be required. This can be a deal breaker if you don't have substantial cash reserves. Insurance is generally lower for both compared to traditional homes due to metal construction and fire resistance. However, Quonset structures sometimes get even better rates due to their exceptional wind and weather resistance. Resale value. Let's talk about what happens when you want to sell. Traditional barndominiums are gaining mainstream acceptance. In barndominium-friendly states like Texas, they're approaching traditional home values. Buyers can visualize living in them easily. More comparable sales make appraisals straightforward. Growing market acceptance means stronger resale potential. Quonset barndominiums face a smaller buyer pool. In rural areas with flexible zoning, you'll find buyers who love the unique aesthetic. In suburban or urban fringe areas, resale can be challenging. Appraisals can be difficult due to limited comparables. You're selling to a niche market, which means potentially longer time on market, and negotiating leverage goes to buyers. If resale is important to you and you're not in a super rural area, the traditional barndominium is the safer bet. But if you're building your forever home and love the Quonset aesthetic, who cares about resale? Energy efficiency. Both can be extremely energy efficient with proper insulation. Quonset structures have advantages here. The seamless steel exterior minimizes air infiltration. Spray foam insulation required creates an excellent thermal envelope. Curved design naturally deflects wind. Lower surface area relative to volume can mean less heat loss. Traditional barndominiums are also efficient, but require attention to detail. More seams and joints mean more potential for air leaks. Insulation is easier to install, but must be done correctly. Proper sealing is critical. With either style, Expect significantly lower utility costs than traditional wood frame homes, often 30 to 40% less with proper insulation. DIY potential. Quonset structures are incredibly DIY friendly. Pre-drilled panels, same bolts throughout, clear instructions, and can be assembled with basic tools. Many first-time builders successfully complete Quonset builds. You can save $40,000 to $60,000 or more on labor by doing it yourself or with friends. Traditional Barndominiums require more construction knowledge. Steel frame erection needs skill and equipment. More complex framing and assembly. Professional help is often necessary for structural components. DIY is possible, but more challenging. Potential labor savings of $25,000 to $45,000 if you have skills. If you're handy and willing to learn, the Quonset offers better DIY savings potential. The verdict. So which one wins? It depends entirely on your priorities. Choose Quonset if you want the absolute lowest cost, can handle financing challenges, love unique modern industrial aesthetics, are building in rural areas with no zoning restrictions, have DIY skills or willingness to learn, plan to live there long-term, and value extreme durability and low maintenance. You'll save $24,000 to $50,000 compared to traditional. Choose traditional Barndominium if you need easier conventional financing, want better resale potential, prefer familiar barn aesthetics, are in areas with architectural restrictions, want easier interior finishing and furniture placement, or are in suburban areas where appearance matters more. You'll pay $24,000 to $50,000 more, but gain flexibility and acceptance. Here's my honest take. For most first-time builders with limited cash, the Quonset makes financial sense if you can handle the unique challenges. You're getting tremendous value, and if you embrace the aesthetic, you'll love it. For builders who need bank financing or care about resale, the traditional Barndominium is worth the extra cost for peace of mind and broader market appeal. Neither choice is wrong. They're just different paths to the same goal: an affordable, durable, customizable home. The right answer depends on your specific situation, your budget, your location, and your priorities. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns on Barndominium construction. Drop a comment below. Team Quonset or Team Traditional? I want to hear which one you choose and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.